This is a Gitpay. It's a project where you contribute with open source and receive bounties for that. It's not just open source, for private projects too. So basically, the projects already exist for 1 year, and you can just like sign as a developer and see the issues available. So basically, contributors can developer delivery issues solved using a GitHub or Bitbucket, and companies can create demands for developers to solve as well. Everything using Git as a contract, and everything is based on a collaboration and pull request. So you can be assigned to a task with a deadline, and once you send the pull request and the pull request is approved, you receive the bounty for that. And here we have like our business model is for open source project, we have like lower fees on the transactions of the payment, and the company need more support from us, like to review the pull request or to help in another way to share with the community. We have like a higher fee. So this is a business model for companies that wish to use that, and for project maintainers as well. And we have a GitHub app that you can install in your repo. So once it's installed, every issue that you create, it's gonna be sent on your community, and people can be assigned for that to solve that issue. He can make offer. He can, if you are learning, you can be assigned for the issue to learn, and do not receive any bounties, but to have help and review of your pull request. So it's already working, and we have this app on GitHub if you want to use it. From a user perspective, that want to work in any task, you can see our tasks here already. So there's open tasks, and you can just like see one that you are interested. For example, here from a project, and you can check the project on GitHub. You can have deadlines, and for example, this is a task that I'm an owner, so I can add bounties and give a reward. You can call others to help to adding bounty as well. If you want to be sponsored by a company, you can ask the company to add bounties here and set deadlines. So this is from a developer perspective. Which wants to create and use to solve your tasks from your project, for example, or a company that wanted to solve using this to increase the collaboration and have more people involved work in your projects. You can just like installing the app. Here, example for this is the own repo of the Gitpay, and the GitHub app is installed here. So once I submit the issue is going to be automatically on Gitpay. So it should appear here. Okay, let's see. It should, yeah. Now the GitHub bot give like already like all the instructions for people that want to be like candidates to solve that issue. So you as a user, advanced developer or beginner developer, you can just sign and be interested in the tasks that is offered there. And this is a demo using the GitHub app. Here I have, for example, a project that I work. I have this material sense that is a template for React material UI, and for example, I have issues that's never been solved, and I need help from community. But I can boost this, giving some bounty to be solved. For example, this issue. So I just came here. I will log it with my account. And yeah, I can create a task. So once I posted, it's here, so I can set the deadlines, I can add bounties, and I can change the status and send bounties. and from the user perspective, that's it. You can just like add and start to get offers, because we have like who sign up for the service receive a newsletter and notifications about new bounties, bounties that they are interested. So you have your like profile that you can specify your preference that about bounties that you want to receive, about Node, Python, and testing, and other things. And you can set up your payment. And we have like, we are linked to this Stripe account. And you can have your account in different, all the countries that Stripe support. And once you receive the bounty, the money goes directly on your account. And if you wanted to use PayPal, you can use PayPal as well account. You can activate your PayPal. And if the clients add the bounty using PayPal, you can receive by PayPal. So it's integrated. It's everything integrated there. Connected to Git, so this is not being used just for open source. I'm seeing like startups started to use it to solve like on-demand issues. So we start to maintain some projects using the platform, and the platform needs a lot of contribution, not just like with Bounty, because the platform is supported by the bounties here. So all our tasks are developed inside the platform. So it's like a meta platform programming thing. So you can make the issues and solve tasks from the Gitpay platform using the platform. Yeah. So I'm waiting for contributions, and we are looking for a sponsorship as well, because we have a lot of issues to solve and a huge backlog. And if you're interested, just reach out with me, and we can discuss more about. And we use like React and Node.js stack. Thank you.